are you glad you're 5? Are you excited about being 5? Come over here, come here.
I'm going to take it if I want.
He thinks it's a remote control airplane. Which way is he coming?
This way.
Huh? What? What is it? A what?
That's yours,
Come
Hunter.
here, Hunter. I'll tell you something.
Oh, honey, you're ruining my film.
Real easy. And you got to stay out past the trees. Don't come in here until you learn how to drive it real good. So you, okay? Stay out in the field.
Where's your helmet? Where's
Until
your helmet?
Papa says that you can get close. Okay?
Is that blue one okay?
Or let Paul teach you.
I turned it way back.
That's awesome.
No, that's Papa.
With these wheels on there, you can.
What do you think about that bad boy, man?
Hey,
We'll get his helmet. We'll go get your helmet and
where's
ride that
it
bad
at?
boy.
Where's it
Yeah, I
at?
have a helmet.
All right.